Hello?
Yeah, Mohammed.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm gonna share my screen now.
Yeah, now you can share.
Yeah, it failed. I don't know why.
What happened? Still getting same?
Yeah. So what I did, I okay. Let's see. Credential. I think that's because of this. It says credential.
Okay. Then this is the problem, I think. Yeah. Just create one more time.
This is.
No, man. No. Don't add. Because you're something. I think you are having some problem with your Jenkins server. I think you have
Okay,
problem with
fine.
your Jenkins server. Just refresh it once again.
So if I try,
Just go to Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Go to manage Jenkins.
yeah,
Go to notes. Okay. No, don't select that. Just go back. Okay. Do one thing. Config. Here, go to settings here at the end of the slave one. Slave one at the end, you can find.
okay, yeah.
Yeah. I think you have problem with something, right? See, getting error right there. 403 error, right? I think you have problem with your slave.
What is this G? Is the unique name? Because earlier we didn't have GKS.
No. Do one thing. Just scroll up.
Yeah.
Remove that host.
If I
Is
put DNS,
is this the host of slave or something else?
yes. That was a private IP of the slave.
Do one thing.
Shall I keep it?
Give that DNS. Private DNS. Give that private DNS.
Oh, private DNS. Okay.
Okay. Enter. Just after give pasting that, just enter that.
Oh.
So that okay, man. I think you have problem with. I think you have problem with.
I'm using a spot instance. What's that?
Manage Jenkins. Go there. Go to settings option. Settings.
Yeah.
I think you have problem with your server, man.
Yeah.
No. Because of your server only you're getting problem. So configuration setup is everything is fine.
Oh, you told me. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So your Jenkins server is having a problem.
Oh no. Because it's a lot of. I spent so much time to set this up, and
Yeah.
I
Again, you have to do one thing. You have to set up that. You have to set up it again. Okay. Yeah. Try to do tomorrow. Today I'll explain some new topics. Okay.
Okay. One thing, just
You
one
try to
thing.
do that tomorrow. If you don't resolve this issue, then I'll try to explain that
Yes,
master slave
sure.
configuration. Okay.
Yeah. Just one more thing, please. Can you just get? I just want to rewrite the steps because
Okay.
I will forget otherwise. Then I will do it tomorrow. Can you just tell me?
Shall I explain that steps?
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
I just want to write down the steps quickly. Then we can move to something else.
Yeah. Okay. First create slave node and master node.
Yeah. Okay.
Create master and slave.
Yeah. Okay.
Now.
Yeah.
Now install Java in both the nodes.
Okay.
Java 11.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Before that, update the nodes.
I do it always.
Okay, you will do that,
Install
right? Yeah,
Jenkins.
install
Yeah,
Jenkins
in master.
in master. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, install
Now
Maven in install Maven in
install Maven in
master.
both the nodes. Both the nodes.
Oh,
Install Maven in both the nodes.
okay. Install Java.
Java and Maven in both the nodes. So Maven is not required actually. If you are doing any build things, then you
Yeah. I'm
can
doing
use.
builds. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now create a public key and private key in master.
Oh, that's in master. Okay. Let me try. Wait.
Public and private key. Yes. SSH keys and.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now you have to copy that public key and paste that key.
To node. Yeah.
Yeah, node in authorized keys.
In, and what
Yeah,
should I put
yeah,
in? It
yeah.
says
Do
it's
this. Do
inside
this step.
SSH.
Yeah, do this step in both root user and master.
Okay. So it's the under SSH folder, right?
Yeah,
Directory.
yeah. Of course, that authorized keys will be there in SSH. Okay. Yeah. Do this step for both root and the Ubuntu user.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now try to check the connection through SSH command.
Okay.
Try to check the connection.
So for master, yeah.
Yeah. From master, try to check the connection. SSH. Not remove
yeah.
that. Remove that type at the rate. Okay. Give a root at the rate private IP address or public IP address. Public. No problem.
From the node, the slave node, right?
Yeah, slave node. Okay.
That's the public key, right? Yeah. No
Public IP.
problem.
Okay. Similarly, public IP, not public key.
Yeah.
Similarly, Ubuntu also.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I think okay. After that,
And then I will go on to Jenkins.
Jenkins and create.
And set up
Yeah.
a new slave.
Okay.
Fine.
There you have to give the
Oh,
private key of okay, while you giving a credential,
private key of.
private key of master node.
And where shall I give the
There you will have a credential option, right? While you are creating while you're establishing a connection through master
okay,
node share.
and
Under credential
credentials.
option. Yes. There you have to give the username of master. Okay.
Okay, use okay. Give username no, and it's private IP.
Okay.
Oh no, give private key.
Yes, private key, not private IP.
Private key. So which is the say.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah. Okay.
And how when shall I give the PM file?
Yeah, either private key means it's a PAM file. Okay.
No, because see, now we've done two. You see, do you understand what I've done now? I've given the PEM file. The PEM file, that's the one that I use to log in into SSH into my EC2 instance. It's not. I didn't give the private key from the MSS, like say like the SSH keygen. It gives both.
Yeah. Okay. See one thing.
You understand
So
ID say, and it will generate ID say dot
public.
and
Yeah.
yeah. So what's happened now? So what's happened? I have given here in this step 11, I have given the pen file
Yes, yes,
of the one that the one that I've got in my AWS console.
yes. Okay, PEM file of your master.
This is the pen file that I've given.
Yes,
No,
yes.
no, 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 no. The pen file. No, no, the pen file of that. Yeah, yeah. The SS, the one that I use for all my EC2 instances of AWS console.
Yeah, that's what you have to give. That PEM file you have to give.
Okay, so I don't have to give this
See,
ID that
see, see, see
say
one, see one thing.
the one
Either
that I've created.
just let me tell you. See, either you have to give PEM file or you have to give ID underscore RSA. Okay, both the things are same. Okay, either PEM
Okay,
file or ID underscore RSA, both are same. Either you have to use that one or this one. You can see the content,
okay,
both
okay.
will
Of
be same.
the master node. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah,
Okay.
I've got it now.
So follow all these
Yeah,
steps. You can connect that. If you don't, if you're not able to resolve this issue, I'll try to explain tomorrow. Okay.
sure. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So let me share this screen, my screen. Just
So let me just, yeah, yeah. While you're sharing your screen, I'm going to, okay, I'm just going to stop
just
sharing
stop
my
your
screen.
screen. Okay.
While you're
Yeah.
doing this, yeah, I'm just going
Yeah.
to
Today
cancel those requests.
I'll try to explain a few important topics. So first of all, let me start with any a very interesting topic. So I'll try to explain that. Okay.
Okay.
I think this will be very useful to you. So while you are creating any user, okay, while you are giving any permission to your colleagues, okay, I think in your organization, if you are an Jenkins administrator, then you have to create users and you have to give access to your colleagues. So while giving access to your colleagues, you have to keep some points in your mind. So just need to know some points. Okay, I'll try to explain that point. So if you don't follow the points, you may get into some problems. Okay, sometimes your Jenkins server has crashed, right?
Mhm.
Sometimes you may face some problems like your Jenkins server will crash, and also you won't able to log in into your root user root user, and you can't do any operations through your Jenkins because of that. If you are not following that proper directions while you are giving access to your colleague, so I'll try to explain all these things. See, this is my root user. Okay, now I'm in root user. Okay, see, now I'm going to accessing this one through my another browser. Okay, see, this is my another browser. You can differentiate both the things. Okay, is it visible to you, Mohammed?
Uh, yeah, yeah, I can see now.
Yeah. So now what I'm going to tell you is go to manage Jenkins. Now go to configure global security. Okay. See, I think in previous classes I haven't explained this one. So see, see here one option here you can see allow users to sign up, right? Now I'm giving this one. I'm applying this one.
All users
Okay.
data. Okay.
Okay. Allow users to sign up.
So this is when, okay.
Okay. So I'll tell you this usage. Okay. So now let me save this one. Now let me go to another browser. Okay. This is
So
another.
this will be applied to, yeah, so this will be
Yes.
applied to all
This will be
users.
applied to here. Okay. See
Okay.
here, create an account. This is what sign up. Okay. Previously, you won't find, you didn't find this one. Let me show you the difference here. Again, I'm just removing that option. Let me remove this one, applying, and save this. Save this one. Now go to this one and just refresh once again. You won't find this one. Okay. Okay, Mohammed.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So what is the use of this? So instead of directly creating the user,
Mhm.
just check that option and just give that just give that IP address to your colleague. He will create a user. Okay, you don't need to create a
He
user.
will create the user himself.
Yes, himself. He will create.
So which IP address you should get?
Mm-hmm. Your IP address. This IP address you have to give them. Okay.
Using the login and everything. Oh, yeah, just this
Only
one.
this
Yeah,
IP address and port number. Just you give it to him.
yeah.
Yeah, instead of giving credentials, user credential, just give this user link. Okay, this IP link or IP address. Then he will create his own user ID, and you can manage that user ID because you are an administrator. You
So
can
he will
manage
create
that.
himself.
Yeah, he will create.
Okay.
Okay.
So like, but so beforehand you need to give like permissions as to
No,
when
no, no.
he
Yeah,
can do.
do one thing. That's what I'm telling you. This is the first step you have to remember. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
First step. I haven't explained completely. Okay,
Okay.
like that
Yeah.
he will create his own user. Okay, now what you have to do, you can just manage his user from your side because you are an administrator. Now you can give access to that particular user. Okay, so what you have to do, just go to your root user.
Okay. So you wait for him to create his own like user account, and then you manage his user account.
Yeah, you can do that in that way also. Just
Okay.
first, yeah, okay. First let me explain this so that your doubts will be clear. Okay, so here what I'll do. Here, this one also you can use this to remember me option will be there, right? So if you check this
Yeah.
one, your remember me
Okay.
option will be removed. Okay. So this is not that much important. Okay. Now see here after giving this allow users to sign up. Okay. You have to give here here I already explained this rule based strategy, right?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
In this you have to give after creating the user you have to give the permissions. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so that you can limit that, and also you can just you can eliminate your work. You don't need to create users, so a little bit your work will be can eliminate.
Yeah. But you will still need to do this
Sorry,
complete this role-based strategy.
I'll already completed this, right?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is you will need to complete it for let's say, okay, the user will create his own account, and then you will be the one that's going to assign him the permissions.
The voice is stuck in.
But can you hear me?
No, not clearly.
Yeah. Well, let me know when you can hear me.
I think your internet connection is a little bit slow, I think so. Yeah, okay, just speak out.
Yeah, I'm still here. Are you?
Yeah, oh yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah. So what I
Yeah,
was going to, yeah. Okay, fine. So once he created his account, you are the one that you still need to complete this role-based strategy, right?
yes, you need to manage that. Okay, you are an administrator. So, see, do one thing. Just see, either two
Okay,
ways.
it's
Two
fine. I
ways.
understand. So instead of you creating the user, he will be able to do it by himself,
Yes,
and
yes.
then
You have to.
you will
You
assign his
yes,
permissions.
exactly. Yes, exactly.
Fine,
That is
fine, fine. Yeah,
that
I
is
get it.
one way. That is one way. Second way is you create the user and you give the credentials and give the username and password to that colleague. Okay,
Okay, fine. Yeah.
that
Yeah.
is the one.
Either you do everything or you just
Yeah,
assign the
that depends on your your mood. Okay, your
yeah, yeah,
interest.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
See, now I'm I'm explaining you a very interesting thing. Okay. See, here in the security realm. Okay. In this, you can see option none, right? Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting the none option. Now what I'll do, so what I'll do here in authorization, I'll try to give a legacy mode. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now see clearly a focus here because this is very important. So what will happen? I'll try to explain this. So now I have given security realm as none and authorization as legacy mode. Now, if you give this type of configuration, then what will happen? Your Jenkins administration access will be lost. Okay, you cannot access your Jenkins, even though you are an administrator, even though you are a root user. Okay, you cannot access your Jenkins. Okay, your permissions will be lost. Even users cannot access their user or their Jenkins UI. Okay, so this is very much important because like it's a security issue. So maybe sometimes if you're in your interior may can ask you, so how you can provide security, all these things. There you have to explain these things. You have to,
This legacy mode.
yeah, security realm and this. No, don't explain legacy mode. Just you have to tell. We have to configure security realm and we have to use some role-based authorization strategy or matrix-based authorization strategy. We have to follow some security things in the Jenkins, like in some
So
global configuration.
okay,
Like that,
so
you have
what's
to.
this legacy mode then?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll give you practical way. Okay, instead of giving
Okay.
definition and all these things, I'll try to show you a practical way. Okay,
Okay, fine.
so here I have given a legacy mode and none. So I'm sure that my Jenkins administration access will be lost. Okay, but how you can resolve that issue, that is important. So see, now I'm applying this one, save this one. Now my access will be lost. Okay, I save this one. See,
Oh, I think
gone,
you've got the same issue.
gone, right?
Yeah,
I
no, no,
think
no. I mean, this is the error that I had.
yes,
I had
you had
exactly
this.
the
Yes,
same.
you had this one, right? That's
Yeah,
why
yeah,
I'm.
yeah.
That's why I'm. That's why I got this idea. So that's why I want to explain this one because instead of deleting that your Jenkins server, now you have to follow these steps to recover all these things. Okay, that's why
Okay, okay.
I want to tell you this. Okay, see what you will do now. See, uh, again, just you go to here your user. Now you can refresh this one. Even if you, I think I have already have like. I have user Jisnu, right? I think you remember this one, this name. See, even my user
Okay,
cannot access this one. Now what I'll
okay.
do? What I'll do? Let me go to this terminal. Go to your Jenkins root directory. Okay. See, this is my root directory. Okay, Mohammed. Yeah. Now you can see your configuration file will be here. Okay, where's that? Yeah, see, this is your configuration file, right?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now let me open this one, nano config xml. See, you should have at least a minimum idea about this configuration file. Otherwise, you cannot do all these things when your server crashed, all these things. Then you should have a minimum idea to resolve all this issue. Okay. If you see, just observe. I think you will be. I think you have known everything here. Okay. See this one. Mm, let me show you that. See here in your configuration file, you can see the jobs. Okay. You can see the pipeline.
Right. Okay.
Everything will be defined here. See your CI/CD
Okay.
and workspace directory. These are the environment variables, right? Build directory, your views, my views. See security real, disable remember me, project naming strategy, everything, user security, version. Everything will be defined here. If you want to, again, if you want to add something else, then you can add here. But before adding this, you should know at least minimum idea about the XML language. Otherwise, you don't change all these things. Okay. Okay. So, but here we are having a problem with login to our Jenkins server. So what I'll do,
So this
see,
is XML, yeah? Or HTML.
XML, yeah,
So,
yeah. See, so I'm having a problem with my Jenkins server. I'm not able to log into there. So what I'll do here, user security option will be there. See,
okay.
here it is true, right? Now I'll try to make it as false. Okay. Now I have given authorization strategy as legacy mode, right? Just I think you have remember that. See, legacy mode.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because of this only, I'm getting problem. So that's why
Okay.
I'm trying to remove this whole thing.
Okay. So what is it exactly this legacy mode?
Legacy, I think I'm not exactly sure about that. What the legacy mode is that? Because in legacy mode, your complete access, even you cannot directly access through UI. Okay, you can only access through like if you are very much familiar with CLI. Okay,
Okay, yes, yes,
yeah,
okay, okay. Yeah.
if you are very much familiar with CLI, then you can use CLI. But
Okay.
if you use the legacy mode, you cannot use UI. Okay, I
Okay.
think I'm not exactly sure about that, but somewhat around 50 to 60% it is right. Okay, so even Jenkins also we use CLI commands are there. We have to use that while configuring all the things. Okay, but most of the cases we won't use that CLI because it is somewhat difficult to or do all these things. Okay,
Okay.
anyway, no problem. But don't try to
Yeah.
use legacy mode. Okay.
Okay, I'll never use it. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have removed that. Okay. First one,
Yeah. Yeah.
authorization strategy. Now again,
Okay.
see, this is security realm. I have given none as option, right? Now I'll try to remove this one also, security realm.
Okay.
Now I'll save this one. Okay. Now, okay. I think we have 10 minutes more. I'll give you one more link, no problem. So, okay. Now go to your Jenkins. See, just refresh this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So still you have an access to this IP address,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
do one thing here. Just first of all, let me stop this Jenkins. Okay.
Oh, no. You don't need to do this. You can go directly there in UI. You see in
Sorry.
the UI? In Jenkins UI.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I can't see. Yeah. At the end, no. Yeah, just add one forward slash, and either you use just restart or exit and then restart.
See here.
Restart. Yeah. Restart.
Mhm. It's not working fine, right?
Or after the 8080, put
After
restart after
8080.
8080.
Okay. Let me
Yeah,
try
the
to
port
remove this.
number. Yeah, and remove. Yeah, remove the rest. Remove it. No, just remove
Yeah,
the one
I'll
eighty.
remove. Yeah, okay, no problem. I'll
Ah,
remove
okay,
that.
okay. Yeah. Yeah, and yeah.
See.
No, no. Add the forward slash. Add the forward slash after restart. Because I just did it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's strange because I did it and it's not okay. I don't know because when I tried it,
Yeah.
it
Okay.
worked
No
just
problem.
now.
Yeah. First, let me do stop option. Let
Exit
me let,
or
let me
stop.
see
Yeah.
this. Let me see this. Stop. Let me again restart this one. See. I'm
Now there's
getting.
something. Yeah.
Let me do this one. Still, I'm getting this one. Okay. No problem. I try to
Yeah.
go from here. Okay.
Yeah.
Service Jenkins.
Jenkins stop.
Stop. Okay. I'll
Says
use
Jenkins start.
start.
And then do status to have check.
It will take some time, around 15 seconds. No problem.
Yeah, this is exactly what I have when I do the
Yes.
restart. I don't know.
Yes. See, now you don't need to provide any credentials here. Directly, you can access to your Jenkins server, right? See, you don't have any login option, logout option here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why we are directly login this? Because there I have removed the authorization strategy, right?
Okay. So what has it got to do with this legacy mode? I don't understand because even without legacy mode, you can go into this XML
Yeah.
file and then delete.
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to learn that what the legacy mode is also. I actually, like, to be frank, I too
Oh,
don't know
it's fine.
exactly.
Let's forget
Yeah,
about this one.
but if you use that legacy mode, yes, you will you will lose your access. But when
Oh,
you
okay.
yeah, I already told you that if you want to use CLI, then no problem, you can use legacy mode.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. So I'll try to
Yeah.
learn that and I'll try to explain you maybe if you have any time. So okay, no problem. But most probably,
No, wait. I've got a question, a quick one. See, let's say if I earlier, when I was trying to set up this uh, pipeline.
I'll try to explain that. Yeah, we stopped that in between. Okay, I'll try to explain that. I'll try to finish that one also. Okay, but we don't have a sufficient time to explain all these things. But just let me give.
No. Just one question about this.
Okay,
See,
okay.
when you use this Maven pipeline, it asks you for the to provide the my Maven workspace.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I went into my onto the slave node,
Mm-hmm.
and then I went into the OTC directory Maven, and then I just gave this uh, / OTC / Maven. That's it. That's what I gave as the Maven workspace.
Okay.
Is that is
So
that is that is that correct?
sorry. Is
When you try, see, basically when you before you create your pipeline,
mm-hmm.
You need to, on configuration. I don't remember where it was exactly, but you know where you've got these dependencies. You've got Git, you've got
Yeah, of course,
Maven.
of course. Yeah, of course, of
Yeah.
course.
So there it's asked you for the space
Space.
in Maven workspace. If okay, if you just go on to the plugins,
Okay.
you select the Maven plugin,
Okay.
and then it will ask you like you're gonna have to configure it, isn't it?
Yes, of course, we should configure that.
So there you need to fill in the information about the workspace.
No, 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 no. So do one thing. So while configuring about this Maven and all these plugins, right? You're asking about. So while you are configuring these plugins in your global configuration tool, there you have to give the environmental setup. I'll tell you.
Yeah,
I'll yeah. That
exactly.
that is what you have doubt on that, right? So
Yes, yes,
yeah,
that's correct.
yes, I'll try to explain that in next class. So I know.
Okay, okay, thank you, thank you.
I'll explain that. So before that, just let me explain all the small things. Okay.
Sure, sure, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So because these are the this will not take that much time. So okay, no problem. So
Okay, no problem, no problem.
this configuration setup, environment variable, those are core concepts. We should not leave those all things. Okay, these are core concepts.
Okay.
I'll explain all this every point I'll explain. So before that, okay, let me finish this one. It's a very small
Mhm.
topic. So now we are directly log into this server without any user credentials because we have just removed that authorization strategy option, and also we also removed that real security real. Now what I'll do, see, let me go to manage Jenkins. Now here, see, this is like everyone can access. If you give this IP address and the port number, everyone can access from everywhere because this is like
Yeah.
anonymous access. So this is
Hmm.
somewhat dangerous. So
Hmm.
what should I do? I'll give credentials to this server. Let me go to here. You won't find any user credentials here option. See, in this you cannot create any users because this
Yeah.
option has been removed. Okay. Now what I'll do? Let me go to configure global security here. Now what I'll do? Just remove this none option. See, select the Jenkins own user database. Okay. Now do one thing. Logged in users can do anything. Okay. So select that option.
Okay. Yeah.
Now apply and save that. Now save. See, it will ask you a password.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now just
Yeah.
give already your credential will be there in database, Jenkins database, right?
Yeah.
There you have a secrets folder.
Okay.
Yeah, everything will be stored there. Oh, what man? I think let me
I
again.
had the same error, you know.
You have same error. You are getting same error. No problem. Let me open this once again. See, again, I got this authorization strategy, right? Because it has false. Remove this again. Man, I think I have done some problem here.